don't be afraid. Don't afraid. Aaron Docker, I love it. Yes, me too. Love them. That's why I am working here in Macau, and I love to birds. That's why I have always birds with me. Cookie, I'm teaching them to how to singing the like cookie, and sometime that the upper one sitting the white and yellow, he follow me to try to speak cookie. This one before speak, but I don't know what happened to him. My bird's name, wait, you see this one is a naughty one, always pulling feathers. I think I have to put separate that baby. And this one is father of that baby, always pulling his feathers. Cat number, what are your bird's name? I am Fate. Fight. Okay, fight. But I don't have any name of my bird here. I just call them only cookie. When I day off, so I play with them, and the if not day off, they are always in the cage and they are just only play themselves. You know, I love I like more these birds. This side's bird. I have three birds here, but I love them. You know why? Because they are so pretty, and they not fighting, not bite each other, and teach them very easy, and whistling very nice. This one, this is very nice. It's the different breed of cockatiels. Very well to care babies and not not fight. Just he hatching this this type of here. This female. If you want to the tier cockatiels, you must buy like that cockatiels, because this breed is very nice and very intelligent. You see, this female is very nice. This type of cockatiel is very nice, and this like that is like a caterpillar. They cut everything. You see, yes, yes, Jenny, the female, the pearl pied is very beautiful. This one, and her baby also the pearl pied, but she is sitting also with father in the box. I show you the properly this one. Yeah, this is so beautiful. If you want to care the cockatiels, you must buy like that the pearl pied or some different type of the breed. Yes, I know. This female is 3 year old. She's 3 year old, and 3 years old, and this one, yeah, this is pure white. Pure white is almost 4 years old, and this baby, you can see the front of that baby neck, no feathers. That is just 2 months old.